Donald Trump, you're gonna get worse if Donald Trump win. I'm the first one you're gonna send back to Jamaica.
Yes, he's gonna deport everybody.
Let me tell you something. I'm a citizen of this fucking country. And tell Donald Trump I said, before he sent me back to Jamaica, I put a fucking dildo in his throat.
That's it. Somebody gotta get rid of him.
I gotta gag that motherfucker like you gag a pit bull. Tell him to fuck around. I'm a fucking Jamaican.
That's it.
You can't disrespect people. You can't do people like that and you expect them to vote for you. I'm a citizen, motherfucker. The only thing I'll vote is some fucking plastic dick up your ass. I would not vote anything for you.
I ain't voting for nobody.
You disrespect. I'm not. The last time I vote, one my vote was for Obama. I think you deserve it.
Yeah.
But I'm not. Otherwise, I'm voting for Jesus Christ. Because at the end of the day, no president can fix shit.
They can't.
Only God can fix our problem. And all of us are so hateful, so bad-minded, and so wicked. How our life is gonna prosper. No president can make your life prosper. It starts from you. It starts from the love in your heart. It starts from the forgiveness in your heart. It starts from all of that. No president can make your life better. You gotta make your life better. So don't sit around on this TV, run behind this thing to go vote, killing yourself. Next year you'll be in the same fucking house. You'll be shitting on the same toilet seat, motherfuckers. That shit.